Anern has become one of the most reliable suppliers in the Middle East solar market. In Iraq, the demand for solar energy is rising rapidly, as the country turns toward cleaner and more reliable power solutions. Behind every container, every inverter, and every panel is our dedication to quality and innovation. Our strength lies not only in production capacity, but in stable supply and trusted partnerships. Grateful to our Iraqi partner Adnan for trusting Anern and growing with us. We've delivered thousands of shipments and supported countless solar projects across the region. With frequent power shortages and growing electricity needs, solar energy has become an essential choice for homes, businesses, and government projects alike. Anern has been actively supporting local distributors and EPC partners, providing high-quality solar systems and energy storage products. Anern is committed to supporting our global partners with factory-direct solar products and customized energy solutions.